Hi angels, hi my loves, hi all my pretty girls out there. Good morning. Today I have a handbag unboxing for you girls. So we're going to be doing an unboxing. And you guys, I'm so excited because this is my first time purchasing from this company. I'm doing a Farfetch unboxing, you guys. If you like videos like these, go ahead, stick with me, hit like and subscribe. Let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's jump right in. I'm going to bring the camera in a little bit closer because I want you guys to see everything and I feel like you're far away from me. So hold tight. Okay, how's that? I think that's a little bit better. Okay, so let's go ahead and let's get started. I have this unboxing that I want to do, and it's from the company Farfetch. So you guys, Farfetch is an online luxury consignment store, and it's basically an online luxury store, and you can make purchases, all different brands. They have all different makers, high-end, luxe, designer handbags, and some contemporary brands as well. And they're kind of like Fashion File or The Real Real. So this is my first Farfetch unboxing and I'm so super excited about it. I'm so happy that you girls are here sharing this experience with me. So let's go ahead, let's open up, let's see what I purchased because I don't want to keep you waiting. Now I did go ahead and open the box, but I didn't open the bag yet. I had to make sure, you guys, before I open it, what color, and there's some hints in this video, what color and what brand item do you think I picked up? Okay, let's go ahead, let's get started. Let's see what lovely color I picked up. Let's open this baby. Enough talking. Okay, here we go. All right, here she is. This is what I picked up. There it says Farfetch on it right there. That's the company. And here is the lovely bag. Let me go ahead and pull her out. You guys can see. So there she is. I picked up a Marc Jacobs tote, you guys, in this beautiful, lovely color Lagoon. Let's go ahead. Let's open this baby. Let's talk about her. So here she is in the lovely color Lagoon. And okay, so basically, you guys, Marc Jacobs recently put out, a while ago, put out a bunch of lovely colors. They put out a lovely red. I thought about the red. You girls know red is my favorite color. I thought about it, but I was like, oh, I have so many red handbags already. They put out a lovely pink. And recently with the Barbie movie and Nicki Minaj's Pink Friday 2 release, I picked up several pink bags already. So as much as I love the red and the pink, I was like, oh, this color right here is calling me. I love this color when I could get it into my collection with different handbags and different designer brands. So it was kind of like I had to get it. I had to get it in this lovely Lagoon color. The thing about it for me is sometimes when I think about a bag, by the time I go and get ready to snag her up, she's gone. So by the time I decided to go ahead and pick up this lovely beauty, she wasn't available anymore on the Marc Jacobs website. So I had to go and search around for her, and I ended up finding her and locating her on Farfetch in this beautiful color. And this is the color that my heart was set on once I made the decision. So I wanted to get her, and I was like, okay, you know what? Ooh, here she comes. I was like, I better go ahead and order her from Farfetch before she's gone, and they don't have her anymore. So basically, you guys, Farfetch is a company that sometimes they will carry designer handbags from the different companies, from the different retailers. And sometimes when it's sold out at the retailers and you can't find it there anymore, Farfetch will have a bunch of them, or Farfetch will have it. So Farfetch, matter of fact, the box that I just showed you that says Farfetch on it, the mailing label actually said Marc Jacobs. So that was kind of confusing to me. But like I said, they have so many items that they sometimes have stocked up or in bulk from different designer brands. And Marc Jacobs, they get some of Marc Jacobs stock as well as other brands. So I was just so happy that Farfetch still had this lovely item in the color, because Marc Jacobs doesn't have it anymore on their website. So here she is. And the items are new. They're not pre-owned items. They're brand new from the retailer, from the company. So here is the lovely bag right here. Oh, she's so cute. They did fold her, so I'm gonna have to shape her, but that's okay. This is what she looks like. Oh, I love this bag. And this is the, what size is this? I have the small, and this is the medium tote. This is the medium size, so it's a little bit bigger. I will at some point do a comparison. of the two, but this lovely Lagoon color, you guys, I'm loving this color in my collection. I picked up several different bags in the lovely faded blue and the Lagoon turquoise pretty color. Now you guys, ooh, this is so cute. Okay, so here's the interior. This is what the interior looks like. Let me go ahead and, they have the strap right here. I have to go ahead and take it off, but this is what the interior looks like. Let me cut that strap off so we can take a better look at the interior. Give me 1 second here. Let me get the strap undone. So here is the lovely interior. So pretty in there. This is a hot color. I absolutely love this color. While I'm unwrapping it, I wanted to talk to you guys. Recently, you guys, I was so fired up and charged up about the Super Bowl halftime show with Usher. Did you guys catch that Super Bowl halftime show with Usher? Oh my God, it was so good. So many of the stars and celebrities that are his friends, different artists that are friends with him, were there to perform for the Super Bowl halftime show. I mean, he brought out Alicia Keys, he brought out her, she played her guitar, he brought out so many celebrities, he brought out will.i.am and Ludacris and Little John for that one song that they have together that hit. Let me tell you, people were ragging on Alicia Keys. My girl, she looked fabulous in that red when she came out. Her first note was a little bit off key, but I was like, come on, you guys, grant her some grace. It's Alicia Keys, for goodness sake. I know I can't get up there and sing that song like her, and I know half the people that were ragging her online can't get up and sing a song like Alicia Keys, like the fabulous Miss Alicia Keys. So what if her first note, she was warming up, okay? She just opened her mouth to talk and sing the first note and something came out like a frog. That's okay, it's Alicia Keys, honey. So grant Alicia Keys some grace, you guys. But yeah, Usher did a fabulous job. I know he would. I mean, come on. He performed all those great songs and he did his residency at Vegas, and he put on quite a performance at Vegas. So I knew that for the Super Bowl, I mean, come on, I knew he would do a wonderful, great job for the Super Bowl. So yeah, that was really, really nice, you guys. So yeah, that was a really, really good performance for the Super Bowl. And this is the back of the, let's go ahead and attach the straps. I don't know what, I need to get, I'm probably gonna get a few accessories to go with this handbag, because I think I need a few more turquoise or Lagoon color faded blue accessories so I can go ahead and enjoy my new beautiful bag. But let's go ahead and put this strap on and take a better look at her. So this is what she looks like, you guys. And the models online that model this beauty, they model them in so many lovely colors. A lot of the models that model them, I saw wearing the high heel clogs. That's so fashionable and in style for right now, the high heel clogs. I do have a pair of the Barbie clogs. They're platform clogs, the Crocs. But the platform clogs, you guys, that's a little too high for me. Some of the models look so, so cute on the website, rocking this bag with the high heel clogs. And like I said, they're trending right now. So they're really, really, really in fashion and cute, but they're a little too high for me. I'm not trying to break my neck on a high heel clog. But I did want to go ahead and I brought in my Lagoon. This is also in the lovely color Lagoon, my Longchamp bag. So I just wanted to take a look at these two beauties. The colors, both Longchamp and Marc Jacobs is calling this lovely color Lagoon. So let's go ahead and take a further look at her. When she's stuffed, I'm sure she's gonna look really, really nice when I have her filled with all my accessories and what I'm gonna be using with her. So I need to go ahead and stuff her, you guys, but I did just want to go ahead and show you how she looked with me today. This is such a cute bag, and I just wanted to go ahead and show you guys what she would look like when I'm wearing her. So, so cute. So thank you guys so much for joining me for this unboxing video of my first Farfetch bag, my Marc Jacobs tote bag in the lovely color Lagoon. Stay tuned for more videos on this handbag as well as other handbags. I love you guys. I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye. Okay, good. Wait, that looks so high. I look low.